This video is about how to make your toms sound even better. There are two items but you only need one item, so you can choose between the two which one you want, just one of them. So the first one that you can use is tape. So you get the tape like flat with a little bump on across it, supposed to make it sound better. And the second one you could use is this right here, if you can see that right there. And so what it is, it's like sticky pad things, if you can see that. And so what you can do is, like, you can put it anywhere on your say toms. So say like if it was this one here, chuck it on, and you can do that as well with this one, so do the same. And I'll show you the difference between them. So you can hear the big tom with it without this on. Yeah, this is what it sounds like. And when I put it on, can you hear the difference? It sounds better quality sound. And I do it on the smaller tom, doesn't sound great. When I put this on, one more time. Can you hear the difference? Look, when they both are on, you see, it sounds better quality. You can have, say, like 2 on, so if I put 2 on, the big tom, it sounds like this. Got 2, or I'll put 2 on this one, if you want. But I prefer to use just 1 on each one. It makes the sound quality better. Even if you have tuned it really well, to have these or the tape on it, because it makes the quality of the sound even better. So I hope this video helps you. If it does, I'd like you to comment, subscribe and like it.